लेट्स प्रोसीड। अभी हमारे बिल्कुल सामने जो हम जब एंटर हुए तो हमारे सामने है नॉर्वे। तो हम जो है ना वो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, जो हमें नज़र आते हैं हम वहाँ पे एंटर होते हैं इंशाल्लाह। नॉर्वे पे भी हम जाते हैं, मैं आपको यहाँ से दिखाता हूँ। यहाँ से हमने जो है वो जाना है अपॉर्चुनिटी पवेलियन मिशन इम्पॉसिबल। यहाँ से अभी हम एंटर हुए हैं। ऑफिशियल स्टोर और हमारे पास तो पासपोर्ट मौजूद है। हम आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं। हम जा रहे हैं अभी नॉर्वे का पवेलियन, फिर आपको कवर करते हैं।
So the first half, we're going to go upstairs to the mezzanine floor, and then the rest is staying at ground level. The video we show is the exact same of both floors, just 2 different screens on 2 different floors, so you won't miss out on anything. Please stay at the floor you're given and stay there for those 10 minutes, and then you get your stamp on the way out. Now it is actually done, getting the people out, and then we will let you in.
इंट्रोडक्शन दिया इन्होंने नॉर्वे का और बताया कि कैसे हम जो है वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी एनवायरनमेंट को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। नॉर्वे जो है वो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल और बहुत जो है वो इंटरेस्टिंग कंट्री है। उसके अंदर लेक्स हैं और आप वहाँ विज़िट कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन है। अभी हम अंदर जाएंगे तो वही सारी चीज़ें वो प्रेजेंट करेंगे कि
You will be seated upstairs during the whole presentation. Please follow along and then we're going to hike up to the mountain.
चलो अपस्टेयर्स चलें।
Hello, please follow along. You are group number 1.
Sustainable Development Goals।
Hello guys, welcome to Norway. You are my ocean travelers today and you are group number 2. You will be seated at this floor. You will be seeing the exact same downstairs.
अनाउंसमेंट हो रही है और वो बता रहे हैं कि आप अपस्टेयर्स चलें, ऊपर चलें। आपको पूरी जो है वो इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी नॉर्वे के बारे में।
As it produces over half the oxygen we breathe. It helps regulate climate and it captures vast amounts of carbon. It provides us with food, energy, jobs, travel and leisure. Over 80% of international trade in goods is carried by the sea. And our ocean holds energy in abundance, ready to be captured. With the world's second longest coastline, Norway is proud to have been pioneering the ocean for centuries. But we are becoming increasingly aware that ocean health is at risk. Norway has launched an ambitious ocean strategy that involves green technology, digitalization, innovative uses of marine resources, international diplomacy, and the fight against illegal fishing and plastic pollution. With the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as a guideline, Norway has committed to sustainably manage 100% of the ocean area under our national control by 2025. Uncharted waters will have to be explored, and we have to do more than ever before. The Norwegian ocean industry, having pioneered many ocean technologies and designs, is well positioned to take a leading role. Let us embark on a journey into an ocean of sustainable solutions to some of our time's most pressing global challenges. Join us in our quest to continue pioneering the ocean. When Norway first discovered oil in the North Sea in 1969, we knew very little about the petroleum industry. But thanks to centuries of living with the ocean and experience of shipping, shipbuilding and managing natural resources, we learned how to produce oil and gas in a responsible manner. Our most experienced oil and gas companies are at the forefront of developing emission-reducing technology. Using it for thousands of years. Today, only 5% of global food consumption comes from the ocean. This share must be increased if we are to reach our global goal of feeding the increasing world population. Norwegian exports of seafood are increasing year by year. They include seafood from innovative fish farms as well as seafood from traditional fisheries, and both are produced sustainably. As the pressure on our oceans steadily increases, humanity is in a race to develop technologies that can sustain the increased food production, transportation of goods, and production of energy without negative impact on our planet. The only way to win this race is by working together. Norway has built a successful model for large-scale, three-part collaboration that will be needed. Research institutions, industries and governments joining forces to foster innovation and collaboration across borders. Just as the ocean has no borders.
Traditional aquaculture is taking place close to shore. Norwegian fish farmers are now applying new technology to bring the farms out at sea. Aquaculture has now surpassed wild catch in yearly production. This growth and the continued development within aquaculture demands an increase in qualified labour and the recruitment and education at all levels. Campus Blue meets these demands.
Minute by minute, in ever more high-resolution imagery transferred to a wide network of ground stations.
We are especially looking at ways to use ocean monitoring from space as a way to detect pollution, oil spill, and illegal fishing. Ocean challenges that affect us all. Besides, space technologies gives us better communication, navigation, and weather forecast.
When seen from space, it is obvious that our ocean has no borders. It is our shared responsibility, and we must approach it with a common purpose. Protection, production, and prosperity go hand in hand. Keeping some marine areas fully protected from exploitative activities can rebuild and safeguard biodiversity. Can we protect 30% of the ocean by 2030? Is it possible that our time is the first time in history that the world as we know it depends for its survival not on extraordinary individuals, but on the extraordinariness of us all?
Sourcing minerals on the seabed is difficult and expensive, but holds an attractive prospect due to high concentrations of valuable minerals. Huge unmanned drones carrying oil, gas, CO2 or water could be available in the near future.
The need for strong and transparent governance is crucial for industries to be able to deliver on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Indeed, creating a sustainable ocean economy will help the world meet all of the Sustainable Development Goals. Autonomous shipping, offshore aquaculture, wind farms, floating solar and green hydrogen production, deep-sea exploration, subsea mining and carbon capture and storage. These are but a few of the vast ocean of opportunities that lie in our ocean. On a global scale, we can and we must produce more from the ocean. And we have to do it in ways that mitigate climate change, preserve biodiversity, regenerate ocean health, and leave no one behind. We can produce more by protecting more. Technology is key, and Norway is, and will continue to be, an important part of the solutions for the future.
Floating solar.
With pioneers leading the way, we invite you to become an ocean pioneer.
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I really hope you learned something. As always, 90% of the ocean is explored, which are actually QR codes. If you have any questions, you can ask me or my colleagues. For the ones staying at have a lovely day at Expo. Thank you so
कैसी
much.
लगी आपको नॉर्वे की प्रेजेंटेशन? इन्होंने पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन दे दी है। डाउनलोड कर लें ऐप को, ऐप मौजूद है। और अब आगे बढ़ते हैं नॉर्वे से और दूसरा पवेलियन आपको दिखाते हैं। कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा। समीर भाई कैसा लगा आपको? अपना एक्सपीरियंस तो शेयर कर दें। समीर भाई भाग गए। चलिए जी, नॉर्वे का तो हमने पवेलियन विजिट कर लिया और उन्होंने अपनी कंट्री की पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी। उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह वो सस्टेनेबल एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, किस तरह ओशन के ऊपर उनकी डेवलपमेंट है। अब हम स्टैम्प लगवा देते हैं अपने पासपोर्ट
Every single one of you into the next show. We're going to have guys that follow you up, and then the rest is staying at ground
Thank you.
level. So the video I told you about is
भाई जी सादा वीडियो लग गया है नॉर्वे का। ए देखो भाई जी, भाई जी देखो तो सही, ए लग गया है जी, नॉर्वे का वीज़ा लग गया है। 5 साल का है तो 1 साल का है। नहीं जी, अब हम जब आए थे तो उस वक्त जो है वो नॉर्वे हमने स्टार्ट किया था। नॉर्वे से बाहर निकले हैं तो हमें ये नज़र आया है, हम आपसे शेयर कर देते हैं। सर क्या करना है? चलें आगे चलें सर। अब आगे वाली भी देखते हैं क्या है, क्योंकि मैप को फॉलो करेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा। हम जो है वो वैसे ही चलते हैं।